friends, myself Narmada. I'm a senior software engineer having 9 years of experience as a Microsoft technology. Today in this video we are going to see what is file system task, how we can use that. The file system task in SSIS perform different kind of operations on files, folders and directories. Okay. It included all the operations such as copying files, copying directories, deleting files, deleting directories, moving the files. Like this, you can do work around with the files and folders and directories. Okay. In this today tutorial, we are going to see how you can create new directory and how you can copy the files from one location and place to the newly created directory location. Let me open the Visual Studio and just creating new SSIS packages. So how you can perform that? The file system task, it play the major role to perform the files operation. So just to drag and drop file system task, then double click. So first what we are going to do, so we are just going to create new directory, correct? So then you have to create new directory. The operations you have to select create new directory, correct? So this directory you need to select. So you could see here lot of operations available. These are all the operations you can perform by using the file system task. Right now we are seeing how you can create directory. Okay. Once you selected source connection, you have to specify the source path is a variable. So if it is false, then you can directly select the file, which is the file, right? Which one you want. So you can select directly. Otherwise, you can create by passing variable also. You can define the path. So I'm just giving new variable. Variable name is okay. So where I have to, for example, I just want to create directory, new directory in this path. Okay, I'm just giving the path. Which name? SSIS. SSIS is the folder I just want to create. So just define this. So that's it. It will be create directory. Okay, click OK. So now you want to copy the file from one location to the newly created directory location. For example, I just want to copy the person data CSV file from here in this path and I just copy this CSV file and just want to paste that into newly created directory. So just copy this path. Again, you need to drag and drop file system task because the first file system task create the new directory. The second one will copy the file. So the source connection path, I'm just giving through the source connection. I'm just giving the variable name src name value. From here, which file I just want to copy this CSV file. Copy the file name and paste here. Click OK. So the destination path variable, yeah, true, give true, give the destination path. Value you can give in the SSIS tutorial. We are creating new directory SSIS, correct? And then I just want to pay this file. Okay. So the source is nothing but source path is nothing but let me close it first. So here what we are doing, copying file from this source directory. Okay. and placing that file into this destination path. That's it. Click OK. Save it. Now just go and check variable properly we have given value or not. If you see, this is the one dest path, this dest path, this variable. So this is the new directory whatever we are creating via the first file system task. Okay. The second file system task, the source name is, this is the csv file we just want to copy, so we given the source name. Destination path, where you want to place that copied file, the newly created directory SSIS tutorial SSIS. This is the newly creating directory. In that, I just want to place the person data CSV. Okay. Now save, then start the job. Okay, its execution completed. Just go and check SSIS created. See whether the file copied or not. So file also copied from here to here. So this is what file system task. This is the way you need to play around with the file system task. Guys, if you like this video, just subscribe my channel. Please support me. Thank you so much. Bye.